Hello everyone, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Want to create a stunning, responsive website without starting from a blank page? Use templates instead. Building with a template is the fastest way to create a professional, high-end website while still having the freedom to customize every detail. Let's learn how you can do that in today's video. Let's get on to it. On Wix Studio, go to your preferred workspace, and here, on the Discover tab, click on Create New Site. Select Start from a template, and here we are on the Templates page. On this drop-down, you can filter what kind of template you're looking for. Wireframe templates are blank structures that have the responsive logic finished, but no colors or images yet. These are perfect if you want to build your own look from scratch. We have design templates next. These are fully designed high-end sites with beautiful layouts and animations already built in. And then we have inspirational templates, which lets you see Wix Studio's Teams playground for you to take inspiration from for your own project. Before you pick a template, preview it first so that you can see exactly how that template behaves on desktop, tablet, and on mobile. Once you decide it's the one that you want, click on Edit Template. So you'll be taken to the Wix Studio Editor where you can customize it and make it your own. So go ahead and customize it. Use the Site Styles panel to change the colors and fonts across the entire site in just one click. And simply click on any image or text box to swap in your own photos and content. Because the responsive structure, or in other words, the bones are already there, your site will stay looking professional as you edit. So go ahead and customize your template however you like. Templates save you hours of work and give you a stunning and professional foundation. So go ahead and customize your template however you like. Templates save you hours of work and gives you a stunning and professional foundation to start with. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.